So students, we will start with question number 1 from exercise 1.3. The question goes like this. Find the sub question 1, 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. So here 10 terms is not the last term, it is the number of terms. So this part is not an, this is not an but n. We have to understand this. This may lead to some confusion, that's why. So remember this, it is not an, it is not the nth term, 10 is not the nth term, but n, number of terms. Now let us get to the solution. What all things do we know? A is equal to 2, A is the first term, then comes D. Let us try to find out D. D is found out by the difference between two consecutive terms. We can also go for A3 minus A2 also. So in case those who missed it, A1, A2, A3, so on. So now A2 minus A1 is also D, or A3 minus A2 is also D, since they have already mentioned that it is an arithmetic progression. Now let us try to put the values. A2 being 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So D is equal to 5. We got A value, we got D value. Now using these two, and n value is 10. Let me mention that also. N is equal to 10. We know A, D and N. Let us go for Sn formula. We cannot go for the shorter formula because there you also need the last term. Here last term is not yet found out. You can of course try to go for the formula An formula and find out the last term and then use the short Sn formula. But better option is directly use the Sn formula, which is the longer version. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is better because in one step we will get the answer. Okay. Next, n by 2, which is 10 by 2, 2 into a. A is 2, 2 into 2 plus n, again it is 10 into d. D is 5. D is 5. So this is S10 by the way, because sum of 10 terms they have asked. So Sn becomes S10. Once more, S10 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 being 9 into 5. Let us simplify that. 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So S10 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 45 is 49. Let's multiply. S10 is equal to 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. So the final sum. Therefore, the sum of 10 terms is equal to 245. Second of main question 1 of exercise 1.3. So this time they have given the numbers minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. So this time n, again n is equal to 12. Do not confuse it as the last term. So 2 or up to means that is the total number of terms given there, not the last term. Let us try to note out what is first term. First term is minus 37. And difference is given by the difference between two consecutive terms, that is A2 minus A1. In this case A2 is minus 33, the second term. So minus 33. Do not forget to keep them in the parentheses, in the brackets. Minus A1 is the first term, which is minus 37. A lot of students get confused between this double minus signs. See, one of the minus sign comes from the formula A2 minus A1. This is the minus sign. The another minus sign is what the term is given, the sign of the term. That is minus 37 here. If it is a positive number, write a positive number. If it is a negative number, write the negative number. Next. So D is equal to minus 33. Minus into minus plus 37. The difference between 37 and 33 being 4. So difference is 4. The sign will be bigger number sign, positive sign. So it will be plus 4. You need not mention the sign if it is plus. So we got A, we got D, we got N. Now we can go for Sn formula, sum of n terms. Okay, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This time n is 12, so Sn becomes S12. We replace n with 12 throughout the formula. Wherever n you find, replace with 12. So 12 by 2 into 2 into a. A is minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d. D value is 4. So next simplification. Hence we get S12 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. 2 into minus 37 plus into minus 2 into 37 is equal to 7 is 14. 1 carry 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. So minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 being 11 into 4. We'll go cautiously, writing every step here, no need of skipping any steps, because a small error could give us a wrong answer in the ultimate. So minus 74 plus 11 4s are 44. Next S12 is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44. It's a difference because they are opposite signs. We have to subtract. So from 74, if you remove 44, the answer is 30. Whereas the bigger number sign is minus. So the answer gets the sign of the bigger number. So here it's a positive number into negative number. So the product must be negative. 6 into 36, zeros are 0. 6 3s are 18. So the answer is 180. You can say, therefore, sum of 12 terms is equal to minus 180. Note that the sum of the numbers also can be. Question 1, exercise 1.3. So we'll first look at the question. Question is find sum of 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on up to 100 terms. Here 100 is not the nth term, it is the number of terms. So let us note down what all things we are given here as a data or given, that is A. First term is 0.6. Then we find difference. The difference is given by the difference of any two consecutive numbers in an arithmetic progression. Here we will take A2 minus A1. You can also go for A3 minus A2. Now A2 minus A1. So D is equal to A2, which is 1.7 minus 0.6. D is equal to 1.6 minus 1.7 minus 0.6 is equal to 1.1. So we got the difference now. We got the first term A, and it is clearly mentioned n is equal to 100. With these three given points, let us now find out the sum of n terms, where n is 100. So Sn formula, which we already know, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula becomes S100. It's not Sn now, n is 100. S100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 2 into a. A is 0.6. 0.6 plus n is again 100 minus 1 into d. D is 1.1. Answer 1.1. So S100 becomes 100 by 2, which is 50. 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 multiplied by 1.1. So further, next S100 is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. Let's have multiplication of that. 99 into 1.1, which is 99, of course, with 1. Then 1 into 99, again 99. So the sum will be 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10. We got 1089. So decimal place. After the decimal place, there is one number existing here. So after one place, we will use the decimal number. So it is 108.9. So So 108.9. Next step is 50. So S100 is equal to 50 into 108.9 plus 1.2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So in the decimal place there is 1. 1 gets carried. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. So it is 1 0 and last 1 exists as it is. So decimal point comes after one place. So now when you multiply, we know that, see, 50 can be written as factors 5 into 10, right? 5 into 10. And that 10 gets multiplied to this number. This number loses its decimal place. So the decimal gets shifted to the right side by one place. So 50 can be written as 5 into 10. I am going to write the 5 here. The 10 gets multiplied here, because of which this number becomes 1101. I hope it's clear. Now, so yes 100 at last becomes yes 100 is equal to 5 when it's multiplied becomes 15505, which is the answer.